Go ahead. You can hit this left mouse key over here.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, and then come over to me. Have you hit it again? Hold on. Okay, hit it again. Oops.
Dadgummit, I moved it.
It's all right. Hit it now. There you go. That's the tones going out. That's the siren outside you're hearing. You're hearing it on your thing too. There you go. All right. And our test runs about 90 seconds. That's what the test on each siren runs. They're still going off. And then now normally they'll run 3 minutes if it's an actual alert.
Okay.
It'll run 3 minutes, then it'll wait, and it goes wait 15 minutes, and then it goes off again for 3 minutes. And it does that until the weather service clears the warning.
Are those automatic if the weather service issues it?
We've got it set up for that.
Okay.
We just hope each time it works. We're standing by in case it doesn't. So it's been 90 seconds on the warning, and we're still got them going.
Sounds like a Sentry.
I'm not sure which one. I can go look and see which one that is. The name of that siren is that's out there.
Okay, and look at me. Oh, it's still going now. Tell me, what you think, buddy?
That is awesome.
It was, wasn't it?
Shoot,
You got to set off. Oh, there's one still going. You good?
That one's a federal EOWS.
What is your number? I'll share it. The one we just heard was?